Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful and crafty ideas of bottle recycle ideas. Here are the designs where you can make different types of craft, different types of things. You can add something, you can put something, you can put fairy lights, and you can add some colors, you can add some beads and make some extraordinary in this season, in this festival. If you know the meaning of this, you should have to do recycled bottle, and everybody knows that everybody should do that. Don't throw away this type of things. Don't mess your planet, don't mess ocean. Make something extraordinary. Make trash into treasures. We need it for upcoming generation. Really need it, and really we have to do something different and something unique. So in this video, by getting ideas from this video, you should do more and more something fantastic. So make your job easy and beautiful, and you should learn to your children what will you do with these type of recycle bottles and recycle ideas. Recycling is a good thing, and you can start your business with it. You can make your own brand, you can sell it on eBay, Etsy, and fair shop at near shop here. So you can make some stylistic and very beautiful. So grab your phone and make something extra stylish, make some beautiful and best. So viewers, thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We need to do something different. We gives you ideas how to make your room beautiful, how to decorate it, how to make your things beautiful, how your bottle recycle. This video gonna help you and gonna teach you very amazing and interesting. Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very creative ideas of bottle craft, bottle recycle, bottle ornaments, and very beautiful designs. Whoever is watching the video, we are trying to bring the best and beautiful videos for everyone who is watching. So these are very interesting and beautiful designs. These are creative ideas. Hope you enjoyed the designs, hope you enjoyed the ideas. You can take some clean bottle, trash bottle. Who think the trash bottle become a centerpiece of your world, centerpiece of your home, and lantern of your home, lantern of your backyard, and make a candle holders, pencil holder? Which types of creativity do you want to do? So in this video we gives you the ideas, many more ideas to create something different, something new like that. Many more amazing ideas in this video. We try to give the best and amazing unique collection. So these bottle crafts gives you the beautiful vibes. This video gives you the beautiful vibes and beautiful ideas. Our channel gives you the creative collection and creative art. So viewers, hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas, and definitely will make for you the best videos and best collection. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Have a fantastic day. Viewers, we gives you the simple bottle turned into beautiful centerpiece. So who thinks what do you make, what will you make? So see, as a blank canvas, it makes something extraordinary. So turn trash into treasures. Hope you enjoyed these designs, hope you enjoyed these ideas. These are very artistic and crafty collection. Best way to reduce your stress, make your mental health stable with these videos. So make your mentality improve. This is the way of thinking, this is the way of purpose, visions. So which types of you are looking, so it depends on you. If you are doing something different types like this, you can put You can take a bottle as a plain canvas, make something extra stylish. So add some paint or add some grass and jute rope on the neck of the bottle and add some ribbons ideas, add some ribbons. So do you think these crafts are very amazing and beautiful? So if you want to watch more designs and more ideas like this, we will definitely try to upload whatever you want to watch. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We gives you the best and beautiful ideas, advice. These designs gonna make your these designs gonna make your home crafting, lighting, and very beautiful. So what do you think about that? These designs are useful or not? So these designs are very impressive and useful. Take some jute rope, jute and burlap craft. Take a beautiful collection by this and add some ribbons, bows, old fabric. You can recycle it. Take some cherries. Take some graphic ideas. Thank you for watching and thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We will try the best and best ideas for you. What do you think about that? Do you think this is beautiful? So tell me about your opinion in my comment section. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness. If you think as these are designs are very happily and good for you, so take some more ideas, getting more ideas from this video. You can join us on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we will try to upload the best and beautiful design for our viewers. Hope you enjoyed them all ideas and designs we will try to upload. May your home fulfill with happiness. Keep crafting, keep creating something new. Hope you all are fine.